Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to a Toyota RAV4. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is running or in accessory mode. Next, confirm that your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and discoverable. You will need to interact with both your phone and the car's infotainment system. Having your phone fully charged is also a good idea to prevent any interruptions during the pairing process. This initial preparation ensures a smooth connection. Now let's initiate the pairing. On your RAV4 display, navigate to the Setup or Settings menu. From there, select the Bluetooth option and then choose Add New Device or Pair Device. Your car's system will begin searching for available Bluetooth devices. Simultaneously, on your phone, look for your RAV4 name in the list of available devices. It might appear as Toyota RAV4 or a similar identifier. To complete the connection, select your RAV4 name on your phone. A 6-digit PIN or a confirmation prompt will then appear on both your phone and the car's display. It is crucial to verify that these codes match exactly on both screens. Once confirmed, accept the connection on both devices to finalize the pairing. Your RAV4 can typically store up to 5 different Bluetooth devices, making it convenient for multiple users. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. First, try restarting both your phone and the car's infotainment system. Also, ensure no other devices are actively connected to your RAV4 Bluetooth, as this can sometimes prevent new connections. Deleting old, unused Bluetooth profiles from your car's memory can also help. For specific model year instructions or more detailed troubleshooting, always consult your RAV4 owner's manual. Enjoy your connected driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.